Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Ipsy Glam bags, and this is the January bag. I don't think I posted the December bag on my YouTube. I talked about it on Instagram, but I don't think I got a chance to talk about it on YouTube. That's because I had a baby in December. He was born December 12th, and I think I got my bag like a day or two before he was born, and I was able to take like pictures and post it just in the nick of time. But yeah, I didn't get it up on YouTube, which is fine. But today we're talking about the January one. How cute is this? It's like a tie-dye pastel, getting me excited for spring, but not too springy. I'm an Ipsy ambassador, which means they do send me the products a tiny bit ahead of time, the bags a little bit ahead of time, so that I can share them with you guys and let you know some stuff that might be in your bag if you subscribe to Ipsy. The theme this month is happy vibes. I get that with the happy face. Who else was obsessed with like 70s tie-dye happy face things? I think it was like my 13th birthday party or my 12th birthday party. I wanted like hippie vibes. So this is kind of bringing me back there. This says, this month and year, make time for the things that make you smile. Soft pastel shadows, your favorite podcast, DIY manis. When you invest in bliss, the world becomes a brighter place. How cute. Okay, so we have the Glam Bag Plus and the original Glam Bag. The original Glam Bag is $13 a month and you get 5 deluxe size samples. Sometimes they'll pop in a full size, but for the most part they are deluxe size. And then the Glam Bag Plus is I think it's $27 a month now. It was $25, they upped the price. It's either $27 or $28 a month, and you get 5 typically full-size products. Most of the time it's full-size products. Sometimes you'll get like a really good deluxe size product, but definitely bigger and more plus and deluxe and fancy than the original one. So let's start out with the OG original. It has a little happy face on the zipper. How cute is that? So the first thing in here is a hair mask by the brand Rose Quartz. Is that the brand? The presentation is kind of cool. I think it's more eco-friendly to put it in a bag like this than like a plastic like bottle. So that's kind of cool. It reminds me of the pouches that my kid eats, like the applesauce pouches. I love hair masks, I'll be honest. This is probably enough for one use, maybe 2, probably 1, because I really like to like cake it in there and let it sit for like 5 or 10 minutes. So it says that this smells like rose water and violet, 2 really yummy scents. So I don't know, we'll have to test it out. Next thing in here is by Honey Jarrett. Haven't heard of that brand before. Lip Sleeping Mask in the scent Lemon Honey. Ooh, that smells good. This smells really good. I like lip sleeping masks. I have a bunch though. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, you can't really see. My lip product container is right there. I really like the Laneige sleep masks. So I hope that this lives up to the Laneige. Next thing in here is the Porefessional Light Primer. I actually just bought a full-size bottle or tube of this at Sephora. So I haven't tested it out yet though. This is like the ittiest, bittiest, teeny tiny little baby. It's so cute. This would be good for a couple of uses. I'll probably give this to my mom or sister so they can test it out. But the swatch on my hand was really nice. It's like a soft pink formula. It's like a matte looking finish and it has a nice airy, light, crisp, clean scent to it. So yeah. All right, 2 more things in here. So the first thing is Lasting Smiles Polish Exfoliant Lip Scrub. You would think I would use lip scrubs more than I do. They seem like such a good idea in theory, but I just end up like never. It's like an extra step after you get out of the shower, before you do your makeup, and I just don't have time. I typically will just pick at my dry lips. Is that gross? It's a little gross. So it looks like this is a sugar scrub. There's cane sugar in it. A bunch of oils, jojoba seed oil, all that good stuff, citrus oil, coconut oil, all that good stuff. I don't know, it's in a tube, maybe we'll give it a shot. And then the last thing in the original Glam Bag is by Shauna B Miami. I've actually tried a few things from this brand. They sent me a blush palette and an eyeshadow palette years ago, I think when they were first getting started. And it was really good quality. It was. So what is this though? Oh, how cute. It's a little eyeshadow duo. There's a really intense glitter. Really intense glitter. I feel like it's like that chunky glitter that would get stuck in your eye and like scratch you. And then a matte black right there. So not necessarily my favorite colors, but it is really pretty. Okay, moving on to the Glam Bag Plus. I personally love these little cloth sacks. I feel like they're perfect for like giving makeup away in, which is something that not everybody does. I get that, but I give a lot of my makeup away, a lot of PR that I know I'm not going to use and stuff like that. So I always put them in these little bags and they work out perfect for that. So the first thing in here is by Kimchi. This is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. Okay, how cute is this packaging? It's like a pastel, really goes with the theme of the tie-dye and all of that. Okay, cutest packaging award for sure. Smells like alcohol and it doesn't have a super fine mist. Next thing in here is by the brand Koa Life, K-O-A Life. This is the Rejuvenating Toner. Is this a mist also? It's called Mist Me. Yeah, it's a mist. Glass bottle, okay. I want to say we've gotten stuff from this brand before in Ipsy, but I'm not sure. I love the fact that it's in a glass bottle. That is cool. So this is Tightens, Tones, and Firms. I never know what order I'm supposed to do my skincare in, like when I'm supposed to use a toner, especially one like this. Do I set my makeup with it? Is it like a before foundation after moisturizer? Is it before moisturizer? I don't know. I never know like the order. So if you guys know, let me know. But this says it nourishes and calms the skin and improves the appearance of skin. You know what? This would probably be good to use like on days that I don't wear makeup, which is most days these days. To just like spray to like refresh my face. I don't know. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Ico. This is the Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner in the color brown. Liquid eyeliner, brown liquid eyeliner. Interesting. Okay. I'm actually not a huge fan of liquid liners. My mom likes liquid liners a lot, so I might give this to her. I'm gonna swatch it because I'm sure she won't mind. It's like a light brown. Interesting. I don't know. I love the fact that it's a brown liquid liner. You don't see that very often. Typically liquid liners are just black, so that's kind of cool. It looks like it's drying down to a matte finish, but yeah, I'm just not a huge fan of liquid liners, but if I was, this would be really exciting to me. Oh, we got a brush in here by Hip Dot. I have heard about Hip Dot. I talk about Hip Dot a lot. I see them on Trend Mood a ton. I've been intrigued by them a ton, but I haven't tried anything out by the brand. So this excites me. Pretty rose gold brush. This is like an all over shader brush, like a flat shader brush, which would actually work really well with the eyeshadow that came in the original Glam Bag, but really pretty, nice looking quality. And then the last thing in here is by the brand DoTube. DoTube, not YouTube, DoTube. And this is the Hydrating Lip Gloss. Okay, I'm all about lip gloss in the color Champagne. Packaging is adorable. It is very glittery and I don't love glittery lip glosses. I do have a couple, but I decluttered most of them when I did my declutter series this last year. Not really a scent to it. Yeah, this has like a gold shift, which you know what, could be really pretty. Okay guys, well that is what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my original Ipsy bag. This was kind of interesting because it was a lot of brands, like more indie brands or startup brands that I hadn't really heard a whole ton of. Stuff that's not necessarily sold at Ulta or Sephora. There was a couple of well-known brands in there, you know, Benefit had something and then Hip Dot had something, but I like that because I can try brands that I typically wouldn't ever try before. So it gives me that opportunity. It forces me out of my comfort zone, which I appreciate. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbag my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and regular Glam Bag, and I will talk to you next time.